Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Modelbench on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will enable 32-bit architecture for Wine on your system. Press Enter. Now we will download the Wine security key and add the security key to our system. Wine is an application layer that allows us to install some Windows applications on Linux. Now we will add the Wine repository to our system. Now we will update our system repositories of our Linux apps. Now we will install Wine. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Wine is now installed. Now we need to install one additional package which Wine requires. Click on Install to confirm the installation. Now we will download the application. Now we will unzip the application. To launch the application, we need to run the last command every time in a terminal. Let's do it now. All content which you want to use must be in your Linux files in your file manager. Enjoy!